Good morning, everyone. I'm Pushpendra.
In one of his wall climbing competition, while you're climbing the wall, your pajamas are tall and there are many people sad. So how will you handle the situation?
बड़ा खतरनाक सिचुएशन लिख के नहीं आई।
I will be climbing the. Yeah, if I'm just participating in any award competition, so I will be give my best at any cost. What will happen in my outer looks, or if my pajamas tore out, so that don't bother me. I think so.
You are on a date
Yeah.
and having your best meal which you like the most. Suddenly you slide down.
Yeah.
Black टपक गई गाय। गाय का हलवा खा रहे लोग उसी में।
Okay. Then
फिर क्या मतलब?
I will
How
eat it.
you justify this?
With whom, sir?
You are on a date.
Yeah,
पापा
oh.
के साथ में दोगे।
This don't usually happen to me, but if that happen to me, she will also understand. Yeah, I'm that crazy about of this dish. So it's happened.
And how will you justify this?
This kind
What
of
will you
awkward
do?
situation, but
Awkward ही तो है ना थोड़ा सा।
rather than I will eat, I will provide some dog, and I think so.
You are in the restaurant. वहाँ कुत्ता कहाँ से?
So this is the two situation. One thing I will replace it, yeah. Other than I will take it. I will eat.
You will say that.
So
like,
what would you prefer the most? You
I will eat,
or
sir.
you will replace?
I will eat because the money spending on that dish, how will I replace?
Yes.
Okay, one more question. It will be embarrassing, but in the toilet in the morning, what are the mostly the thoughts you are just thinking?
I don't think I haven't. Yeah,
Yes, it's senseless. And
What are the ideas?
the greatest idea comes from the.
coming at that
the-
time.
What are the ideas? Category of the ideas, like one or two idea you can.
That mostly comes like repeats.
Let me think. Idea. Give me situation. I'll the answer.
What's the situation? It is
You
like,
said me
I'm talking-
what I think.
I'm asking you in your real life. What happens like when you are
It
like
happened.
in the morning anytime you're just in the toilet.
It
like,
won't happen with me.
like for this. And
What are the thoughts coming into your mind at the time you are inside the toilet?
I don't pay attention on them.
no one pay attention on that.
Thoughts
Everyone just thinks.
come,
Yeah.
but you don't pay attention. So what are the kinds of thoughts you get?
Randomly, that time I will.
You get the thought like what I have to do throughout my day or something else.
This won't happen with me, sir. Because, sir, it's very embarrassing when I use a toilet. I will use a phone with. That's why I don't have any thought.
Okay. Any question? Ask. Are you non-vegetarian?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm vegetarian, non-vegetarian, all of
Vegetarian, non-vegetarian.
these two.
If you stuck anywhere,
Yeah.
right, where you have to get illegal, क्या बोलते हैं?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar to eat on.
Yeah.
You don't have information about plants and the soil flows which you may die when you take it. So you only have availability of the caterpillar there to revive, to keep yourself alive. What would you do?
I will.
खाओगे या भूखे मर जाओगे?
So I will eat because the life is very precious to me. So I will try any how condition I will be able to live. I will be try to live. So in those situations I will be take those action. I will take it.
Okay. What do you do, right? When you got your feet into that set,
What's that?
रास्ते में जाते हो,
Yeah.
केक कट गया.
I will rub on the
You
stone.
are not in the shoes. You are in chappal.
Then I will go to the.
And in between your finger, the finger.
Okay.
What will you do?
I will go to the shop and take a water bottle and I will clean it.
You will clean.
Yeah.
But ये जो रहता है ना उंगलियों के बीच में जितनी होते हैं बाल
Rub another leg and try to.
सेकंड बॉटल थर्ड बॉटल
हाँ.
मेरे को 50-60 रुपए का करते करते
नहीं, in one bottle I think it should be clean.
मतलब लकड़ी उठा के नहीं करोगे साहब
No sir. It's right.
जरा
Because the crowd is present here.
Nora is reminding you what happened. Yes.
ये सांस बचना
Suppose you are going somewhere, the dog is sleeping on the bed, and you did not see and put the feed. Now the dog is looking at you angrily. You started running to see him, and the dog also started running to against you. So how will you? What would you do to avoid him?
If I'm running, you left me no situation. I will be running. So I will be running as far as I can reach. Better than I'm a very dog lover. So if by mistake I touched him, I hurt him with my action. So I will try to just
strangers sir being a dog lover
yeah.
and meeting with the street dogs, these are two different things.
But they also I think
अरे देसी कुत्ते गली के हमारा अगर समझ सकते हो कुत्ता तो हमारे घर में भी है तो वो तो सही है लेकिन बाहर के कुत्ते
so they also understand. If you just talk harshly, they will also shut down. They also calm down. I think so.
okay.
You just kept
You will run or you will fight with dog?
not fight with dog. I'll just try to make politely with deal with situation.
सोते हुए कुत्ते के ऊपर लात रखी उसकी नींद आराम दी है तुमने
सर वो उठ के भाग जाएगा सर, रख दी तो
नहीं भागा
ऐसा होता है सर। मेरे गली में अगर कुत्ते भौंकते भी नहीं है सर।
नहीं ऐसा वैसा आपको नहीं कंडीशन
हाँ तो
आंसर के हियर टू आंसर है
in this condition I am running, so I will run as far as I can reach till I'll
आगे जाओ चौका इंजेक्शन का दर्द बोल ले यस क्वेश्चन
Suppose you are going for an interview, which is the first interview of yours, and if you meet a stranger who really needs help, what will you do? If you will help the stranger who is really in very trouble, or you will go for your first interview, which is very important to you, and parents really want that you can achieve success in that interview.
I'm kind of personality those helping the others because my quote is that everyone living for ourselves but living for the others, it's my agenda. So I will rather than I will go to my interview, I will just take some precaution to take some action for the by helping someone, and then maybe I got late for the interview. I'll just try to reach for the interview, and I just tell him I'm just stuck in that situation, so I will deal with that. So I will do.
Any question more? Nara, you want to ask something? No? All the questions are finished.
कौन से नहीं
बाकी कर लीजिए.
If I stuck in jungle, okay.
Suppose you are staying in the maze.
Yes.
Huh?
Okay. Maze, yeah, understand.
The maze, and there was no network, and nobody is far away. And what will you do in this scenario?
If I stuck in maze, so rather I will also somewhere in my mind I will exploring the maze. I think so. So I will take some precaution. That's why I will do this kind of adventure or things.
I have a question. What's your worst habit that you would like to?
It's my worst habit, so I can't tell you. But some of the less worst is that I'm very lazy. I go out early in the morning, get up late in the morning. This is my worst habit, and you can think so.
Would
I'm
you
very.
like to replace that, and with what habit you would like to replace that?
Yeah, everyone said getting up early in the morning is very good habit. So I will try, and every time I'm just
I'm asking, like you are very lazy in the morning and you don't get up, so you would like to replace that habit. Yes. So with what habit you would like to replace? Your interesting thing you would do, I think.
I can't because rather than I also take because I slept very lately, so that's why I got up late. So there is no bad, I think.
If you have any bad habit, right?
So how will I replace it? So there is no way, there is no other habit I can replace it because it's a human thing
If
that
anybody who has bad habit of smoking,
yeah. So they can be replaced it. Yeah. But there is no alter.
Cigarette is very injurious to
Alternative क्या नहीं होता है?
lungs.
Why?
अगर मेरे को बाइकिंग पसंद
गुस्सा
है,
से
बॉडी
दांत
बाइकिंग
खराब
से
हो गए
मतलब
तो फेफड़े तो बच जाएंगे ना. कोरोना में वही ज्यादा काम हुआ.
Alternative is that I'll try to
I'll try to.
early get up early in the morning.
I'm just saying like देखो मेरे को भी सुबह उठना पसंद नहीं है, but I just like to see the good environment and everything in the morning. मुझे पसंद है वो चीज़ की सब लोग रनिंग वगैरह कर रहे हैं, तो I just go out on the fort and start running. कोई 5 बजे मैं चला जाऊँ अगर, तो मैं उस चीज़ को इस रनिंग से रिप्लेस करता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे रनिंग भी पसंद है और मेरे को बाइकिंग पसंद है, मेरे को गेम पसंद है और समथिंग, so I will just replace that with that. I'm just asking for
as
your
you said.
interesting habit that you love to mention here.
Interesting habit. So as you mentioned, I'm also not a crazy fond of running because I'm very lazy. So I will keep that that habit because actually I love it.
How will you be running faster than dog?
So in that situation, I will be a runner.
अच्छा.